Let's talk about the importance of having really good events and how that is going to make a difference in your PTO as far as boosting parent engagement and involvement and willingness to be a volunteer, willingness to be a leader in your group. The primary way that parents see the PTO in action is actually through the programs and events that you are planning and having. So that is why they can be such a game changer for your PTO, especially if your PTO has lagging participation rates or involvement, and you're just not seeing parents stepping up. The events that you're putting on really give parents a crystal clear vision of what your group is doing and kind of a hint, a subtle hint about why they need to get involved. Because if they really loved game night, if they really loved science night, if they really loved the holiday cookie exchange or whatever else you might be doing, then it's not a hard leap when you say, we need help in order for these things to continue. Like I need to volunteer for this or this or this or this or that, whatever. Parents will see that value, and you can also even come out and say it and say, so many parents had a great time at this event. We need your help to have the next one. The other way it can make a difference as far as involvement and engagement is participation in your fundraisers. Because if the parents can see what the PTO is spending money on, then they're going to be more likely to contribute towards that. So this is why specific asks in fundraising is so important. Rather than just saying, support the PTO's fundraiser, you can say, come support science night, art night, yada, yada, yada. And parents will have that connection made for them. Sometimes they're not able to make it for themselves. The other thing really good events do is help create community, relationships, and friendships, and really give an opportunity for people to come together. Because if you are not coming together, then there's really, I don't know when there's going to be that opportunity to make those relationships. You get to see people outside of school. If you're a classroom volunteer, you get to see parents and talk with them, because usually you're busy helping the teacher, helping the kids, doing whatever. All parents want their kids to be happy. So when they see their kids having fun at a PTO sponsored event, that is going to trigger a little thought in their head about, hey, PTO is valuable. It's something I should either get involved with or participate more in their fundraisers or just generally help. So that's why you should be having a lot of events throughout the year. I have a whole bunch of other resources about how to plan events, so be sure to check them out. I will link to some of them in the description below, but pretty much you should be using the events not only to make everybody happy in the present, but also motivate parents to become volunteers and maybe even future leaders of your PTO to ensure all of these fantastic events can continue to happen into the future. So be sure to take advantage of them and don't look at it. So don't have such a narrow view of the events that it's just for the intended purpose. There are many other purposes that events serve and that can benefit your PTO in the long run. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Want even more guidance on how to be a stronger leader so you can run a better PTO or PTA? All these resources and more are waiting for you at PTOanswers.com.